Hi guys, I'm Dean Edwards and welcome to Proper Food. In today's video recipe I'm cooking for you crispy buttermilk chicken wings with a spicy katsu curry sauce dip. We say in Bristol, Gert Lush, and I know you're going to enjoy it. Okay, so first things first, I've got some chicken wings here. Now we need to marinate these in buttermilk and that will tenderize them and make them so much more flavorful. So get your buttermilk in there, give it a good old stir, and then we want to leave these wings to marinate for at least 4 hours, but if you can go overnight, they're gonna be even better. So now I'm gonna cover these and they're off into the fridge. So to go with our wings, I'm going to make a katsu curry dipping sauce. So I've got a pan on here over a low to medium heat, splash of oil in there, and then into that I'm going to add 1 red onion which has been finely diced, and the same with 1 carrot. So get that in there, give it a little stir, and then we want to cook that for around 5 to 6 minutes, just until everything's really nice and softened up, and the onions have gone really nice and sweet. Next up into the pan, I've got thumb-sized piece of ginger, finely chopped, and also 2 cloves of garlic, so that goes in. Let's give that a little bit of a stir, and again, cook for a couple more minutes. All of the vegetables are beautiful and soft now, and the fragrance just coming out of that ginger just smells amazing. So into the pan now, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons plain flour. So get that and give it a good stir. This is what we're using to thicken up our curry sauce. Next up into the pan we have our spices. So I've got a heaped tablespoon of garam masala and the same of a medium curry powder. So scatter those in, and we're just going to literally cook those off for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add into the pan some chicken stock. So let's just pour that in, give it a good old stir, and then you'll see that this will start to thicken up from the flour. Check out this amazing katsu sauce. Add in a nice dash of soy sauce, and then a really nice squeeze of honey. Give that another little stir. Give it a taste, check the seasoning, and then take it off the heat. Okay, so now it's time to finish our wings. So here, I've got some plain flour. I've also got some panko breadcrumbs. So scatter those in, combine the two, give a little bit of a toss round, and this is going to be the dredge for our wings. The buttermilk is going to help this stick to it when it goes into that fryer. Beautiful, crunchy, crisp. It's going to be good. So take the wings, they go straight into the flour mixture, and then that's done. That's ready for the fryer. Repeat until you've done all of the wings. So here are the wings, all coated, got the panko, they've got the flour. Now they're ready to go in the fryer. So I've preheated the oil to 170 Celsius, and they're going to take around 7 to 8 minutes to cook through. So here we go. The wings are now ready for the fryer, so gently pop them into the basket, and then we want to drop that in the oil, and they are going to cook through till they're beautiful and golden. Oh yes, will you take a look at that? So what I'm going to do, just let these drain for a couple of minutes, and whilst they do, I'm going to knock up a really quick glaze. I've got a pan on here over a medium heat, so into that I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give that a little stir together. These beautiful crispy wings are going to go in. So just give them a little toss, just to make sure they get a lovely coating of that sweet chili sauce. Look at that. Okay, so just to finish off, I've got these beautiful wings. Let's get those onto a nice little serving plate. Make sure as well you get some of that marinade just all over the top. God, my mouth's watering already. And then finally, to finish that off, I've got my katsu curry sauce. Let's get some spring onions. Gonna slice these really nice and fine. Slice these really nice and fine. And then take a handful and sprinkle over the katsu. As always guys, if you've enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you've got time for a little chat, make sure you go down in the comments where you'll also find the recipe. I want to know what you want to see me cook on Proper Food in the future. I'm about to go and smash the back doors out of these wings, so I will see you next week for some more Proper Food.